Hey guys, as you probably know, I keep my car pretty clean and I rarely wash it with soap and water. I like to do that every once in a while, but for the most part what I've been using with great results is this Ultimate Wash and Wax by Meguiar's. It works really well, but recently I learned about this product and I just ordered, I'll post the link, I got it through Amazon. It's the Aero Cosmetics Wash Wax All. It comes with its own sprayer, and I like the fact that it comes in a big jug as well, so you can do a whole bunch of cars with this kit here. And it also includes microfiber towels, and I'll go over the details on how to apply this next, but let's give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, so applying the product is very simple. You apply it, you spray it on pretty much like you would any other waterless wash or spray wax, and then with a damp towel which you wet with the product, you just have to follow the instructions that come with the kit. You just remove the dirt. It is that simple. And before the product is fully dry, with a dry towel, you just buff it to a high gloss. And that's it. It's a good idea to keep the cleaning towel damp at all times, and all you need to do is give it a couple of squirts with the spray cleaner. To detail small areas like the headlamp bezels, for example, all you have to do is just use the damp towel. I apply some extra product to the towel and then carefully detail that portion. When you're done with that, you can use the dry buffing towel to polish and finish drying that area. The camera really doesn't do it justice. You would have to see the car in person. It almost feels like you're applying a coat of clear. It's really that impressive. Now I have no idea how long the wax is going to last, but it's so easy to apply that that's no big deal. But the results are really amazing. Even, and keep in mind that I started with a clean car, so that probably has a lot to do with it. But the product is great and I highly recommend it. So there you have it. I think it turned out great. I believe I used about a third of the 16-ounce bottle that came with the kit. So between that and the gallon jug, I think I can probably get about 30 cleanings out of the kit. And that would be a bargain. So anyway, I am really pleased with the product. Again, it feels like you're adding a coat of clear. It is that dramatic, and it is super easy to apply. Comes with the microfiber towels, which is great. And one more time, I'm not sponsored. I just paid for the product. I bought it for myself. I wanted to try it, and again, I'm super happy with the results. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it. Thanks for watching.